2019 is a busy year for Mercedes Benz with the expansion of their EQ line of cars. The latest to hit our shores is the Mercedes Benz C300e. Replacing the outgoing C350e, here's a 2-minute brief of it. There's little to distinguish this and the C300 AMG line car, except for the badges and the tailpipes. The C300e comes with 19-inch AMG rims and intelligent LED headlights. Other than that, Mercedes-Benz has also added a new electronic-operated panoramic sunroof. The seats are leather as usual with pre-installed memory function and a new ash black wood trim. We get a 10.25-inch central display and a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster. It also comes with a Burmester sound system. Other safety features include the dynamic body control and a pre-save system. Coming with a new 2-litre 4-cylinder combined with its electric motors, it pushes out 320 brake horsepower with a maximum output of 700 Nm of torque. Adding on the new 9G-tronic gearbox, it enables the C300e to complete its century sprint in 5.4 seconds with a top speed of 250 km per hour. With its new and improved 13.5 kWh battery pack, it can now run up to 50 km on an all-electric mode. We can say that Mercedes-Benz has gone leaps ahead in making the world of hybrid cars exciting, but will it be easier to maintain than its predecessor? Is the savings on fuel worth it? What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments section below.